Okay, that day at the beach, seemingly but simply batting, but it moved something so deep in me. I, I was standing there at the edge of the ocean where the sun meets the shore. There was this little natural pond just uh, perfectly made for the birds, for seagulls to harmoniously play and wash their wings into it. Not flying, not chasing, just standing in the water together, gently washing their feathers. I turned to see the ocean and something came to my mind. I thought briefly, what if the seagull must be tired after chasing waves and fish all day? What if we, as a human, no rush, no fight, like they don't? And it made me think, how often do we pause to wash off what we carry energetically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and physically? Nature always shows us the way if we are still enough to listen, to really hear her. Next time you go for a walk, observe the birds and everything around. Find the message they're sending you.